Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huion U1060 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to download the drivers for this device on your operation system. To do it, firstly, you need to open the web browser and find here the driver. So just enter here Huion drivers, find your download center, enter here your model. I have new U1060. Oh, I don't know which device I have. Maybe I have this one, and then just click Windows driver or Mac OS driver. If you have Mac OS, click keep, and cool, I have downloaded the driver. Then, as you can see, I have old version, and the old version of the driver will be uninstalled. Okay, so if you have old driver, so old driver will be automatically uninstalled. So I will uninstall it. If you have no old driver, so you don't need to reinstall it. Cool. And then before installing the driver, please close all graphic software. Okay, so click OK. I agree. Install now. Installation complete. So now click on the cross and find in your device now Huion tablet application. And cool, as you can see, it has detected my device, but the mapping is not too good. So cool. Inspiron U1060. So here is my device. As you can see here, I have set up of my device. I can set up the work area. I wanna use it only for this display, for example. And now when I'm using the pencil, yes, it works. Cool. And it's great. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.